Check out what I got. A little lizard just came out from under the hood. Wonder how long he's been in there, how many road miles he's got on him. Hey, pretty cool little guy. Oh, buddy. It got me thinking about a time in Texas. We drove from Louisiana to Galveston, Texas. Morgan City, yeah? Morgan City to Galveston. We drove. And as soon as we pulled into Galveston, big snake came out from under the hood of the truck. He came all the way from Louisiana. He got to stay in Texas, though. Cool, huh? How you doing, buddy? How long have you been in there? Huh? I gotta go now, so you should get off, or you're in for another long ride. I believe it's just a common house gecko, nothing special. It's the right size anyway. It looks a little bit darker, but I think that's what it is. Cool little dude. That'll teach you to hitch a ride to places you don't know.